Looking for the coolest car gadgets of 2025? From safety tech to smart upgrades, here are the 20 best tech products every car owner needs this year. Let's jump in. And quick note, all product links are in the description below. Number 1 is the Turunsul 4K Dual Dash Cam, recording true 4K front and rear with a 170 degrees wide view. It includes loop recording, a G sensor, and a pre-installed 128GB card. Super Starlight Night Vision captures clear night footage, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the app let you view and download instantly. With built-in GPS and 24-hour parking monitoring, your car stays protected at all times. Number 2 is the NOCO UltraSafe Jump Starter GB40, a 1000 amp jump starter that brings dead batteries back to life in seconds, with up to 20 starts per charge. Its spark-proof, mistake-proof design makes it safe for any 12 volts vehicle. It also works as a portable power bank and has a 100-lumen LED flashlight for emergencies. Compact, rugged, and built tough, it's the perfect glove box essential for every driver. Number 3 is the Airmoto Tire Inflator, your quick and accurate portable tire inflator. It pumps up car, bike, and motorcycle tires in minutes with precise pressure up to 120 psi. Just set your psi, press start, and the auto shutoff stops right on target. With a digital gauge, LED light, and 2000 mAh battery, it's compact, cordless, and ready for any emergency. The Airmoto inflates tires, balls, and more, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Number 4 is BlueDriver OBD2 Pro Bluetooth Scanner R, the Pro OBD2 scanner that reads your car like a real mechanic. Scan and clear check engine, ABS, airbag, and TPMS codes with ease. Get real repair reports, live data while you drive, and step-by-step fix videos, all from the app. It's wireless, Bluetooth-powered, works on any gas vehicle from 1996 plus, and has zero subscription fees. Works on iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. BlueDriver gives you the right fix, right when you need it. Number 5 is Gemlu's Wireless CarPlay Adapter, the fastest way to cut the cord and upgrade your drive. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 5.3 Bluetooth, and an 8-core chip, it delivers ultra-smooth, cable-free CarPlay that auto-connects in seconds. Works with any iPhone running iOS 10 and above, even if it's in your pocket. Its sleek aluminum design stays cool, lasts longer, and keeps CarPlay lightning fast for maps, music, calls, and Siri, anytime you drive. Number 6 is Anduri MagSafe Car Charger Mount, the ultimate snap-and-go upgrade for iPhone users. With 22 N55 magnets and 78-pound suction power, your phone stays locked in place on any road. Enjoy 15W fast wireless charging with smart heat control, and adjust your view effortlessly with a 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis arm. Built to withstand extreme heat, bumps, and thousands of tests, this mount is strong, sleek, and ready for every drive. Number 7 is Bouncy GPS Vehicle Tracker. Keeps your car safer and smarter. Get real-time location updates, full trip history, and instant alerts for speeding, hard braking, or unsafe driving. It even checks your vehicle's health and flags maintenance issues early. Set geo-fences for alerts when your car enters or leaves an area, and get instant crash notifications. Just plug it into your OBD2 port, quick setup, low monthly cost, and cancel anytime. Number 8 is P6 Car HUD Smart Gauge. Stay safe and fully informed. Keep your eyes on the road while reading speed, RPM, water temperature, fuel data, and more, directly in your line of sight. Dual OBD plus GPS mode gives accurate, real-time info, while color-changing alerts warn you if you're speeding or your engine needs attention. With adjustable display angles, 10 interface modes, and easy installation on your dashboard or windshield, the P6 HUD turns driving into a safer, smarter, and more comfortable experience. Number 9 is the HOTO Handheld Vacuum, a powerful, portable car vacuum. It packs 20,000 pascals suction with a 96,000 RPM brushless motor, blasting away stubborn dust and debris. Its 4-in-1 design lets you vacuum, blow, inflate, and seal. With 3 suction modes and 5 versatile attachments, it tackles every car nook. Lightweight at just 0.78 pounds, HOTO is your perfect travel and glove box cleaning buddy. Number 10 is the Pure Zone Mini Air Purifier. Turn every drive into a cleaner, healthier journey. It uses a true HEPA 2 stage filter to remove 99.97% of dust, smoke, pollen, and odors while you drive. It's cordless, runs up to 12 hours, and fits perfectly in cup holders or the dashboard. Turn it on during traffic, long trips, or after food runs. Your car stays fresh and breathable. With 3 fan speeds, clean air is always just one tap away. Number 11 is Time8 TM2 Tire Pressure Monitoring System, your smart tire safety upgrade. With 6 alarm modes for leaks, pressure changes, overheating, and low sensor battery, it keeps you protected in real time. The long-lasting, IP67 waterproof sensors read pressure with high accuracy and install in minutes. Plus, the solar-powered display auto-adjusts brightness and shows clear data day or night. Stay safe, stay aware, with Time8 TM2. Number 12 is the Nalaxy KM28 Bluetooth FM transmitter. A big color screen shows calls, voltage, music, and more, plus the air vent mount keeps it right in view. Enjoy QC 3.0 fast charging, Bluetooth streaming, TF card, USB, and aux. Crystal clear hands-free calls with CVC noise cancellation, and bass, TRE boost for better sound. Pick from 8 LED colors and make every ride smarter and brighter. Number 13 is the Govee LED interior lights. Turn your car into a vibe. Pick from 16 million colors and create your own effects in DIY mode. The built-in mic syncs lights to your music for instant party vibes on every drive. Control everything from the Govee app, colors, brightness, and music mode. Easy 2-line design, clean install, and durable tubing. Light up your ride the smart way. Number 14 is CarPlay screen. Get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto so you can check maps, take calls, and change music without touching your phone. The crisp 10 inches display keeps directions clear, while the 4K dashcam records every mile. And with the 1080p backup camera, parking in tight spots become effortless. With easy installation and crystal clear audio, this is the quickest way to upgrade any car into a modern smart ride. Number 15 is the EUHOMY Car Fridge Cooler. Keeps your drinks ice cold on every trip. Its powerful compressor chills from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, and you can control everything straight from the app. The magnetic lid locks in the cold, while the low noise, anti-shock design keeps it steady on bumpy roads. Use it at home or in your car, DC and AC ready, with smart 3-level battery protection for worry-free travel. Number 16 is Car Electric Kettle. Stay warm on the road. Just plug into your 12 volts or 24 volt socket and heat water anywhere, perfect for coffee, tea, or instant meals. Choose your exact temperature on the smart LCD screen, from 86 degrees to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. With its 400 milliliters stainless steel design, leak-proof seal, and one hand flip lid, you get hot water safely, no more service area lines. Your personal hot drink, anytime you drive. Number 17 is Farron LED headlight combo. Upgrades your night driving. These H11 and 9005 bulbs deliver a perfectly focused beam with 0 dark spots and no glare. With 900% more brightness, you'll see wider and farther than ever. The 1-to-1 mini design means quick plug-and-play installation, no bulky parts. Plus, advanced cooling gives over 60,000 hours of lifespan. Drive safer, clearer, and brighter with FAHREN. Number 18 is Bestec 300W Power Inverter, your go-to way to power devices on the road. It delivers 300W continuous power and 700W peak, with 2 AC outlets and dual fast-charging USB ports for laptops, tablets, and phones. Compact, lightweight, and built with durable aerospace aluminum, it features smart cooling and full protection systems, perfect for road trips, work travel, and everyday car use. Number 19 is CNU Smart Car Air Freshener, using ultrasonic mist to release a visible, refreshing fragrance every time you drive. Made with a premium aluminum body, it auto-turns on and off with car movement, and the built-in battery lasts up to 2 months. With SGS-certified natural scents safe for everyone, enjoy a cleaner, calmer, long-lasting fragrance. A modern, high-tech gift that keeps any ride smelling amazing. Finally, number 20 is Emergency Car Escape Tool that could save your life. With a tungsten steel window breaker that's 50% stronger, it shatters glass instantly, even underwater or in extreme heat. A built-in seat belt cutter lets you escape fast, and the strobe plus full light modes keep you visible for hours. Portable, ergonomic, and always ready. Add this to your car and stay prepared for any emergency. Upgrade your ride with these 20 must-have car tech gadgets. Click the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car tech tips.